Now that you've made your way through the material, you have a solid foundation in researching a trading strategy, which will help you with finding an alpha signal.
The next step on your journey is to do Project 2, where you'll implement a breakout strategy. You'll take everything you learned from Project 1 to build this strategy, along with finding and filtering outliers. Transitions are rarely easy, and transitioning from lessons to projects and back again sometimes proves difficult for nanodegree students.
That's true. I've gone through multiple Udacity nanodegree programs as a student, and I have to admit that starting a project was one of the loneliest parts of the process. I was a Udacity student in the data analyst, machine learning, and deep learning nanodegrees. Every time I started a new project, I struggled. I didn't really know if I would ever finish. I would spend hours alone in the library just begging my code to magically work and searching the web and online forums for hints. So there were definitely moments when I started to ask myself, what am I doing here? Why am I doing this to myself?
That sounds really tough. How did you handle those moments?
Well, whenever I felt like I couldn't bring myself to keep trying, I would watch online guest speakers or interviews by people who did something really cool in the field that I was studying. So it helped to remind me why I was interested in the nanodegree program to begin with and helped me to keep going forward.
Yeah, that's a really great idea. If you're ever feeling burned out or tired from a day of debugging code or working on tough problems, take a few seconds to remind yourself of what initially brought you to this nanodegree program. What do you want to do? Who do you hope to become? Watch some YouTube videos about this innovative field in which you're growing. Maybe throw in a few cat and puppy videos along the way. And when you feel that urge to move forward with your learning, dive back into your program. Who knows where you'll go with your new skills and knowledge?